Well, hello everyone. My name is Alan Lee, and I'm running for president. And there's a lot of reasons why. I made some other videos. Please take a look at them. This one's about this. Our current president, Donald Trump, I don't think he cares too much about any of this. He just cares about himself and money. You've heard him talk enough times. You've read about him. You've seen him. He wants to brag and get as rich as he can. He doesn't care about helping people at all, except himself. He's selfish. I do care about people. That's why that person up there, if you want to call him a person, you know who I'm talking about. That's why he put us here, to help each other, not to hurt each other. Let's talk about this. These are some of the main religions in the U.S. You can see this. You know, it's a busy life. People have after-school activities with their kids. Kids get sick. Cars break down. Trouble at work. Everybody has a job. They have to work overtime. After-school activities again. Parties. It's a busy life. Do some of you people feel guilty about God, about not being able to go to His house every week, regularly, every single time? I have a feeling some of you feel very guilty about that. Don't worry about it, please. Here's one. As it says, yes, your house of worship is where life's values begin. It's where family values begin. It's where many sacred things happen to help poor and needy people, underprivileged, the sick. You know that. Yes, your house of worship is where you commune with God. It's where you can speak to Him. Just read what it says here. You can see the words. You can, as it says here, it's only a house. It's only a structure. It's only a building. You can still speak to Him in other places. Anywhere you are. Anywhere you go. Anywhere. He speaks to you. He knows you. He hears you. And He can feel you. You can speak to Him. You can hear Him. You can know Him. And you can feel Him. Anywhere. You know that's true. So, please, don't worry if you can't go to His house every single time. He understands. He is still with you, wherever you are, wherever you go. He's with all of us, always. You know that's true. Here's some other nice words. I'll get to that in a moment. But again, just to finish up, if you want a nice person, a person who refuses to hurt anybody else, because we're here to help each other, that's why He put us here. That's the meaning of life. That's the purpose of life. That's why we're here, to help each other, not to hurt each other, and I refuse to do that. I refuse to hurt anybody. It's not necessary. If you use this, and you use this, which He gave both of them to us. If you use them correctly, if you use them properly, you can get things done without hurting people. You're supposed to help people. That's why we're here. If you want a president who believes in all this stuff, about helping people, not hurting people, and being a role model for your kids, and a role model for pretty much everybody, and I'm not saying I'm perfect, I'm not. Only He is, remember? But He's shown us the way to do things. And I think I understand the way He wants us to do things a lot more than President Trump does. He doesn't care about anybody. I do. I want to help. Please see my video about climate change, about helping people too. There's one I made also about helping people with money. We still need money to live. I'm making more videos as well. Anyway, there's my site. Please go on. Please click on endorse, contribute, please whatever you can, $5, $10. If you can't do anything, at least please click on endorse so people know. And please pass the word about me to your friends, because some of them may be in a better position than you are to help. Because unfortunately, this is not going to happen without money. Unfortunately. It's the way society is. Nothing happens without that. There is election laws, there's certain requirements, And if you don't reach a certain amount, you're not even allowed in the game, unfortunately. So whatever you give will go towards this. Trust me. Or else you go to jail. I don't want to do that either. I want to do things the right way. So please help. May peace be with you. Shanti. Assalamu alaikum. Shalom. And that's me. Thank you.